Our rabbi from the Netherlands, Awraham Soetendorp, was a very close friend. When we came back to the States after our 2-year sojourn in the Netherlands, Awraham, we would go back to the Netherlands every once in a while, and we would make contact with Awraham, and we kept in touch. Awraham was one of the social leaders in the Netherlands and with liberal Judaism throughout Europe and wherever. If you look him up, he's an author, he's a lecturer, et cetera, et cetera. Anyway, we were, he was one of the people that was there when Sharansky was released. He was one of the people at the bridge. We're sitting in our apartment in Queens, my wife and I. Our kids are gone. The phone rings, and I pick it up, or my wife picks it up, and the voice on the other end asks for Awraham Soetendorp, Rabbi Soetendorp, and my wife asks who's calling, and it's Anatoly Sharansky. It blows her mind. It really does. 2 days later, we're sitting in the office, Awraham, Shelley, and I. The phone rings. Shelley picks up the phone, or I picked up the phone. Who is Rabbi Soetendorp there? Yes. May I say who's calling? Elie Wiesel. You know, and it was just, that's the level that Awraham worked on. That's the kind of influences he had, or has. All during the beginnings of his involvement worldwide, we were there. He came to Adelphi University. My wife was teaching there. It was our proposition to the university that he should come there as a visiting lecturer for a semester. So he did. He stayed with us for part of the time. He was always welcome. Awraham and I, one time Shelley was out of town on Shabbat. We were supposed to go out to dinner and then to services, and I fixed dinner at home, and we got to talking, and I turned around and looked at the clock, and it was 1 o'clock in the morning. It was just, we had that kind of relationship. We could discuss God. We could discuss what was going on in the world, our particular views of what was going on in the world.